बताओ.
I was pressurized by the principal also and by all the teachers that the position इसकी embrace होती है और she was also weeping in the class.
Aradhana, do you remember this time when Ruchika was pulled out? Anand Prakash, do you remember this time when she had to leave school?
Yes, I remember. Actually, when she was expelled from school on 20th September, Mr. Rathod submitted his reply on 27th September that the girl has been expelled from school on loose moral ground.
No.
Wow.
Yes.
Yes.
This is written. This is written. Just to save his charge sheet, because he converted this FIR in charge sheet, and in charge sheet he submits that the girl was of loose moral ground.
This is
and
classic.
This is a false case against her.
Here I want to add that some officers are public servants and the rest think that the public is their servant. So I think Rathod did just that.
Now you know why he was laughing when he came out of the court.
School is a part of the
Now you know why he was laughing.
Do we realize
But that's
You
my
got away
point,
with
that we
all
never
this.
speak about the school.
School is a part of this
Are
abetment.
part of this
Of course,
success.
It's a part of this
Very
because
much.
if the school had continued,
In fact,
school
I
would
would
have
say
saved the
school
girl.
is the principal offender. If
School
a
could have
child
acted
is
as a
in
counsellor.
if a child is in a mentally disturbed condition, if a teacher sees a child crying needlessly, day in and day out, it is the duty of the school to get in touch with the parents, to get a counselor in, to find out what's wrong with the child. Instead of saying something
Gitanjali,
child away.
Everybody knew that something had happened to Ruchika. Obviously, there were no confirmations of any kind.
But when you saw her leaving, when you saw her being pulled out of school, didn't kids talk about it, teachers talk
No,
about it?
everybody, for a while she stopped coming. So
You didn't know what had happened.
Yeah,
You
we
didn't know
thought
what had happened.
she's on leave because of the incident. She's taking her time to.
And
Yes.
when CBI investigated this matter, the principal of the school told the IO that she was expelled due to non-payment of fees.
Oh.
And Mr. Grotra tells that with a fine of 30 rupees, he had been submitting this fees many times. And this was a false ground to ask her to go from.
Which is what I'm saying. There is a failure at every level in
Yeah.
this. You had a question.
I had a question regarding, we have seen women's position in our society since beginning. We made laws against dowry. We have made laws against domestic violence. But this crime has been prevalent for so long. Why are we taking so long to wake up about it?
Is there a problem with the law? Could the law be different? Would that change anything, Harish?
See, I'll tell you.
Nothing.
Nothing could have. This is not a case where the law has been inadequate. This is a case where the law has been throttled.
Yeah.
If there had been a full and thorough investigation, abetment of suicide,
But why do you think he didn't even give him 2 years? Let's assume that he's been charged only for
I
molestation.
believe, I have not read the judgment, but I believe from the media reports which have given a snapshot view of the judgment, that he was very upset about the advanced years of this man. And
Yeah,
the
so you forget
trauma-
the girl was 14, but
and
we
the
care
trauma
about
this poor man has suffered for 19 years trial. I
the
suppose.
smile made him look very traumatic, didn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, by now the influence of politicians on the whole system has become very apparent. It's actually a sense of deja vu. So I would like to ask the politicians present here, you are in power, what concrete steps have you taken to remove the politician from the politician-police nexus? Why does the politician get to decide which policeman will get what transfer and all?
Good question. Manish, none other than Chidambaram actually made the point that police officials are tossed around like footballs. That was his phrase, not made by politicians. What are you guys doing about it?
Well, essentially it comes back to the same thing again, that you need to implement police reforms. There is a very categorical Supreme Court judgment, but unfortunately state governments are dragging their feet on it because state governments do not want to relinquish that power. And whether you like it or not, law and order under your constitution is a state subject. And the state governments and state governments across the board, just want to cling on to
But
it.
there's
So-
one thing the centre can do. He's right.
Yeah.
But there's one thing the centre can and must do. The Indian Police Act needs to be repealed.
But
The whole system.
But there is a Thomas. there is a-
I just wanted to make a larger point because, it's been bothering me for a while, and since I was born and brought up in Chandigarh, I was just thinking to myself, why does the Rupan Deol Bajaj, why does the Shivani Bhatnagar, why does the Jessica Lal, and why does Ruchika's case all go back to the larger metropolitan area of Chandigarh, which includes Panchkula and Mohali? And let me tell you, one of the reasons is that where the elected representatives and the non-elected bureaucracy, sort of converge in Chandigarh, it has produced a culture where some people are above the law. And in our growing up years, we've seen it all along. There's something very rotten at
I
the
think
whole
it's
process.
also, if I can add a comment to that, Kiran, if I can add a comment to that beyond the area, I think it's also the tolerance we have for molestation. Young girls, and I know every young girl will bear this out, any young girl who's taken a DTC bus in this city, it's assumed that you should get pawed, you should get felt up, and somehow it's part of growing up. That's how it's treated. I mean, girls have stopped fighting even against this. What Rupin Deol Bajaj you bring up, KPS Gill is still regarded as one of the best police officers in this country.
Because there's no trust in the system left. There's no trust in the system. पहले register नहीं होना, फिर investigate नहीं होना, फिर trial के लिए 19 साल कौन लड़ेगा? I want to have mentioned about the police reforms. Do you know where it's stuck right now? While the states are not implementing, the Supreme Court entrusted these police reforms to Mr. Justice Thomas Committee. And you know, Mr. Justice Thomas Committee itself is dragging its feet. I think it's time that Supreme Court takes the Justice Thomas Committee to task saying, by this far, we want to know what the states have done. I think they are all altering. In fact, they go almost committing contempt of court, contempt of the Supreme Court. I don't know why Supreme Court is allowing this contempt in police reforms.
Just 1 second. I need to go to Ajay Chautala, who's his party is a key player in this whole scandal. There is no other word for it. It's a scam and should be treated with that hard gaze of like we treat scams. Ajay Chautala ji, इतना गुस्सा है पूरे देश में, बार-बार आपकी पार्टी का नाम आता है. Do you at least feel that the case should be reopened?
देखो मैम, जहां तक मानवता का सवाल है, हमारी हमदर्दी उस परिवार के साथ है, और अगर इस मामले में कहीं बेइंसाफी हुई है उस परिवार के साथ, तो उसके लिए उनको इंसाफ मिलना चाहिए. पर जहां तक कानून का सवाल है, मैं भी एक वकील हूं. वकील होने के नाते जो तथ्यों के आधार पे ही कानून अपना निर्णय करता है, और अगर उसमें कहीं उस परिवार को लगता है कि ये सजा कम है, तो वो हायर कोर्ट में जाए. अभी तो ऊपर हायर कोर्ट बाकी हैं.
तो आप यही कहेंगे कि वो हायर कोर्ट पर जाएं. I know how cynical you must be feeling, but let me ask him, कम से कम आप ये बताएं कि successive governments did not allow the prosecution, even an FIR was not registered. Why?
मैम, आप ये बार-बार गलत कहा जा रहा है. चौधरी ओम प्रकाश चौटाला मुख्यमंत्री नहीं थे उस वक्त, मास्टर हुकम सिंह मुख्यमंत्री थे, और बार बार इन तथ्यों को तोड़ मरोड़ के पेश किया जा रहा है, जो कि गलत है. हम बार बार इसके बारे में स्पष्ट कर चुके हैं, रिकॉर्ड के सहित पेश कर चुके हैं. चौटाला साहब 99 में दोबारा मुख्यमंत्री बनते हैं, और जैसे ही चौटाला साहब के ध्यान में ये मामला आता है, उन्होंने उनको छुट्टी पे भेज दिया. उसके बाद उनको सस्पेंड कर दिया गया, और जब तक वो मुख्यमंत्री थे उनको सस्पेंड रखा गया, और वो सस्पेंड ही रिटायर्ड हुए हैं.
लेकिन आप सस्पेंशन की अब बात करते हैं, आपकी सरकार ने उनको प्रेसिडेंट्स मेडल के लिए रेकमेंड किया.
रिकमेंडेशन मैम नीचे से आती है, और डिपार्टमेंटल जो रिकमेंडेशन होती है वही आगे भेजी जाती है. ये एक आप भी समझते हैं एक चैनल है, और उस चैनल के माध्यम से ही जाता है. अब ये फैसला करना ऊपर की सरकार का काम है, केंद्र की सरकार का काम है कि वो किसे देती है किसे नहीं देती है.
लेकिन मेरा एक आखिरी सवाल, आपने कहा कि आपने योर गवर्नमेंट आस्क्ड हिम टू गो ऑन लीव. व्हाई डिड यू नॉट स्ट्रिप हिम ऑफ हिज पेंशन बेनिफिट्स? व्हाई डिड यू नॉट गो अगेंस्ट हिम? यू जस्ट आस्क्ड अ मैन टू गो ऑन लीव.
अब मैम, आप बार बार हमारी सरकार पे तो ये बात उंगली उठा रहे हैं. ये कहाँ जा रहा है? परंतु चौधरी भजनलाल की गवर्नमेंट में जब उनको प्रमोट किया गया और उनके राज में उसके भाई को प्रताड़ित किया गया, जिसपे 6 मुकदमे दर्ज किए गए, 11 चोरी कार के मामले दर्ज किए गए, उसको लगातार 2 महीने अवैध हिरासत में रखा गया, उस मामले में कोई बात नहीं की जा रही. ये सारी प्रताड़ना जो हुई है, ये तो चौधरी भजनलाल के टाइम में हुई है. प्रमोशन जो हुई है उनकी, वो चौधरी भजनलाल के टाइम में हुई है. चौधरी बंसीलाल के समय में उनको डीजीपी बनाया गया है. अब ये बार बार दोष चौटाला साहब को दिया जा रहा है, जबकि चौटाला साहब ने उनको छुट्टी पे भेजा, उनको सस्पेंड किया.